Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking hardware and system quickly. First, make sure the keyboard physically shows volume up, down, and mute, or that media functions require an FN key. Next, open system sound settings to verify output device and that drivers are installed. This prevents surprises. Once done, press the volume down and volume up keys briefly to see if the OS overlay responds. If nothing happens, hold FN while pressing the media keys to test alternate layers. Now you tailor behavior so the keys act consistently. Open your keyboard manufacturer utility or system keyboard shortcuts panel to confirm the media key assignments. If a key is unresponsive, remap it to the system volume command or create a shortcut that triggers volume up/down. This ensures compatibility across apps. Make sure repeat rate and on-screen volume HUD are set to your preference, and configure per application media handling when available, because some apps intercept media keys differently. Finish by validating the workflow in real-world use. You should test volume keys while playing audio, watching video, and with background apps open so you catch conflicts. If keys still fail, restart the audio service or unplug and reconnect the keyboard. This often clears driver handshakes. Make sure to reboot after driver reinstallations, and if issues persist, try the keyboard on another device to isolate hardware faults. One tip: check for keyboard firmware updates. Updating can resolve unexpected media key behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.